La bonne cuisine de Madame Saint-Ange. La bonne cuisine de Madame Saint-Ange is a French cookbook written by Marie Braud under the name East Saint-Ange and published in 1927 by Larousse. A classic text of French home cooking, it is a highly detailed work documenting the cuisine bourgeoise of early 20th century France, including technical descriptions of the kitchen equipment of the day. Before writing La Bonne Cuisine, the author had written a cooking column in her husband's magazine Le Pot au Feu for 20 years, and much of the content is drawn from that magazine. The book was originally published as Le Livre de cuisine de Madame Saint-Ange, recettes et méthodes de la bonne cuisine française. The current title was drawn from a later abridgement, and was retroactively applied to a modest updating of the original work by the publisher in the 1950s. Other editions used the title La Cuisine de Madame Saint-Ange. Many American chefs and cooking teachers working in French cuisine have cited it as a significant influence, including Madeleine Kamman, Julia Child, and Paul Aratow, the co-founder of Chez Panisse. Aratow translated it into English. Though the book reflects the equipment and the tastes of the 1920s, reviewers have found it useful for cooking today. Its recipes work, the dishes they produce are delicious, the extensive advice is empowering. This is a book that cries out to be cooked with.